Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I want to show you how to make these gemstone and hoop earrings using our large hole beads. So we have a lot of different varieties. We have 6mm up to 12mm, we have rounds, we have rondelles, we have hishis, we have faceted, we have all different kinds of things, and you can add them to these stainless steel hoops that we have. We have these in different sizes, ranging from, I think they fit the 30mm up to the 50mm. And this just goes in your ear. This closes on the back. It's a really great product. We get a lot of really great feedback about it. And to attach the large hole beads, I just use these slider clasps. They just have a rubber gasket in the middle, and they hold the beads stay in place. So I'm just gonna line this up to where the other one is so they match up. Then I'm going to string my large hole bead on there. These have a 2.5mm hole. It's super simple. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.